The IR-3015RTH fiber laser cutting machine 300W is designed for workshops that need both speed and flexibility in cutting metal materials. With a working size of 3000 by 1500 millimeters, the machine combines the Raycus 300W laser source and ray tools cutting head for powerful and accurate performance. It reaches up to 140 meters per minute in rapid travel while ensuring repeat accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. The real strength of the IR-3015RTH lies in its ability to handle a wide range of materials. With 300W power, the machine can cut carbon steel up to 18 millimeters, cut stainless steel up to 10 millimeters, ensuring clean bright edges without burns, cut aluminum and galvanized steel up to 8 millimeters, which many 2000 West machines cannot process smoothly, cut copper up to 6 millimeters with stable cutting quality. Compared to traditional CO2 laser machines, fiber laser technology like the IR-3015RTH is far more energy efficient, requires less maintenance, and delivers sharper, cleaner cuts. And compared to lower power fiber laser systems, this 3000 West model significantly expands your machining capacity, from advertising signs and decorative products to precision mechanical components and heavy industrial structures. If your workshop needs a cutting machine that is powerful, versatile, and efficient, the IR-3015RTH 300W is the smart choice. Contact us today to upgrade your production line.